Hi everyone, it's Ava, and welcome back to your financial journey. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the zero-based budget. With the zero-based budget, you have to give every dollar a job, a purpose. You assign each and every dollar that you earn to an expense category and basically put it to work in that category. In a zero-based budget, income minus expenses is always zero. Hence the term zero-based budget. Expense categories, or bills categories, can be for spending, paying off debt, or savings. Spending categories can include items such as rent, utilities, transportation, groceries, and clothing. Paying off debt can mean paying off credit card debt, student loans, personal loans, car loans, or any other debt that you owe. And savings categories include all the money you stash away in your emergency fund, travel fund, house fund retirement, or other savings and investment accounts. By treating your savings and investments like all your other monthly bills or expenses, you're essentially paying yourself first, no matter what, every month. Saving becomes something that's automated and included in your budget, quasi-baked into your budget. Not just something you think about at the end of the month when you've already spent and paid for everything and have nothing left for you. Let's take an example of a simple zero-based budget and pretend that my income is $4,000 every month after taxes. To the right of that are my expenses. Rent is $2,000. Utilities are $300. Transportation is $300. Groceries are $300. Clothing and other is $300. Debt payments are $300. All savings and investments are $500. All these expenses, or bills, added together total $4,000, which is exactly what my monthly income is. Now let's assume that I get a monthly raise of $200, bringing my monthly income to $4,200 instead of $4,000. This means that in my zero-based budget on the right-hand side, I would have to find another category to assign my extra $200 of income, in order for the expense side to also total my new monthly income of $4,200. Remember, with a zero-based budget, income minus expenses always has to be zero. If you cover all your expenses during the month and have $1,000 left over, you aren't done with your zero-based budget yet. You have to tell that extra $1,000 where to go. The thinking behind this is that if you don't, you'll most likely spend it on random stuff and lose the opportunity to make that extra $1,000 work for you in the areas of getting out of debt, saving for an emergency, investing, paying off your house, etc. Every dollar counts. And because you have to track every single dollar, the people who love the zero-based budget are usually those who love details, to-do lists, grocery lists, or any lists for that matter, and those who meticulously plan out their calendars for the day, week, and month. And for the same reason, because you have to figure out where every single dollar goes, it's also particularly suited for you if you live paycheck to paycheck, because it allows you to really dig down into your exact spending and identify precisely where you may be overspending and by how much every month, so that you can know exactly where to cut back. Of course, budgeting down to the dollar for everything can get pretty complicated and time-consuming. So if the zero-based budget is simply too detailed for you, then please refer back to my sister Caitlin's video here on the 50-30-20 budget. Many budgeting newbies start with the 50-30-20 budget because it's one of the easiest budgeting methods out there. Okay, my financial friends, I hope you found this video helpful. And do leave a comment below and let us know what other money topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.